Narendra Modi today became a major brand ambassador for Jassuben's Pizza, and there is a lot of curiosity now in what Jassuben's Pizza is all about. And let me quickly cut across to Mosiki Acharya, who joins us for more. Mosiki, it's usually in the evening that we see huge crowds at Jassuben's Pizza, but I believe the crowds already there. At least the outdoor broadcast vans are already there.
Well, absolutely. The stall here, which is a roadside stall, is yet to open up. It closes. It opens around 5 in the evening. You see, this is the roadside stall. People park their cars on the road. They come here. Pizza Hut is very close by. But in spite of this, most of the people will still prefer Jasuban Pizza here in Ahmedabad. I have a person with me. His name is Praveen. He runs a sandwich stall right next to Jasuban Pizza stall. शाम को कितनी भीड़ होती है और कितने सालों से ये देख रहे हैं आप?
ये हम 40 वर्ष से चालू है मैडम। यहाँ पे शाम को इतनी भीड़ होती है कि ट्रैफिक भी लगी होती है। यहाँ पे फुल आप देख रहे हो, वहां से लगा के इस बाजू तक फुल भीड़ होती है यहाँ पे शाम को।
अच्छा, फेमस क्या है जसूबेन पिज्जा के बारे में? बड़े बड़े जायंट्स आ गए, पिज्जा हट है, डोमिनोज है अहमदाबाद में, पर क्या उससे जसूबेन को फर्क पड़ा है कभी?
कुछ भी आज तक फर्क नहीं पड़ा। जैसे कि आप पंचवटी आसपास में भी ब्रांच है, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा। जैसे कि जसूबेन का पहले रूटिंग चल रही है, ऐसे ही चल रही है।
Well, you see that this person who runs a sandwich stall right besides Jasuben Pizza,
Yes.
it opens only at 5 o'clock in the evening. There are no customers here. There's no one at the stall also here. But most of the OB vans, most of the camera crews of all the channels have arrived. As Narendra Modi pointed out, that like Kalavati, Jasuben Pizza will also become famous now. And he did succeed in taking the issue away. You know, he did not refer to malnutrition rates in Gujarat. He did not refer to the kind of how women were still not given education in places like Gujarat. Female feticide is another big issue right in Gujarat. He did not address several issues. Instead, he took the limelight away, and this has entirely now become Kalavarti versus Jasuben. Jasuben is dead. She died several years ago. He also mentioned Induben Khakrawala. She also died several years ago. But yes, that entrepreneurship spirit in these women. Narendra
Yeah.
Modi might not have anything to do with their enterprises here in Ahmedabad, but yes, he did manage
Yes.
to endorse them at a national level when he addressed that audience of women.
The Lijjat Papad, the Khakra in Jassuben's Pizza.